What's up guys, Foisy here, and in this video I'm doing another one of those DIY idea type videos. This one's going to be 25 amazing uses for milk crates. Now some of you might recall I did this type of video with IBC totes, 55-gallon plastic drums, and 5-gallon buckets, all amazing ideas that you can do with them to recycle and reuse them. This one's going to be 25 ideas with milk crates, and if anybody hasn't seen a milk crate, this is what they look like right here. They're called milk crates because they're used to carry around containers of milk, and they've been around for decades. Now you don't need to go and steal them, that's against the law, I would not suggest that. They actually sell these at a lot of places like Home Depot or Walmart or various hobby stores, and they usually only cost around $9 or $10. And before I get into the video, I do have to announce that none of these ideas are mine. I just found them all on the internet and collected them into one video to show you guys. I take no credit for any of these ideas. Down in the video description, I'll try to link information on each one of the 25 ideas. And if you guys think you have a cool idea that I didn't list in this video, leave it in the comments down below. So I'm now going to get to the ideas. Thank you for watching.